Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management, here to show you guys 312 OffStreet, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it's located on the first floor. Before I begin the walkthrough, I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you'll be able to view this listing along with all of our other listings and any news related to real estate and property management. So first off, we're going to begin in the kitchen. As you can see, it has a very nice large gas-powered stove. Old-fashioned, adds a nice touch. As you can see on the walls, freshly painted with the nice wooden curtain over here, lining throughout the entire kitchen, along with the dishwasher over here, with some counter space, plenty of outlets in this room. Also room for a dining set in here, no doubt. And the large size refrigerator over here. Some windows outlooking the parking. Very nice. Once again, definitely be able to fit a dining room in here, or sorry, dining set in here. Perfect. And over here is another part of the kitchen. It's just some nice cabinet space up above and below with the double-din stainless steel sink and some shelf space. I should mention that this unit was just recently gone through with a nice fresh paint, along with the hardwood flooring that you will see in a moment. Very nice paint and the wood curtain. All right, first room we're going to check out is the bathroom. This is a small sized bathroom, but has the amenities needed. And as you walk in here, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, bringing you into the apartment. Once again, nice fresh paint along with the full tub. Very nice in the shower. All right. Next up, we will move on to the first bedroom, which is over here. This bedroom features a laminated wood flooring, fresh paint throughout. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here. Also has some additional closet space for whatever needs necessary. Same with all the bedrooms. All right. Next up is the second bedroom. This is where the hardwood flooring was just polished, made nice. So it will look very nice in here when you first move in. Once again, fresh paint. Plenty of outlets in this room. And once again, some nice closet space. This room's a little larger than the other. Could probably fit a queen in here, along with plenty of pieces of furniture. Alright, next up is the third bedroom. Once again, features the nice hardwood flooring, recently well done, along with the fresh paint, window, and some more closet space for this bedroom. Very nice. All right. And last but not least is the living room. This is a large size living room. Should be able to fit plenty of furniture in here, an entertainment system if need be. Lots of outlets in here. Once again, the nice hardwood floorings with the fresh paint. A couple of windows that look onto the street. All right. And over here is the heating system, conveniently placed in the living room. All right. And once again, this is 312 OffStreet, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, located on the first floor. And I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. You can view this listing and any other listing located on our website, and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.